Hello, this is Wayo from Medica's house. Today's topic is this small-size charcoal, introducing charcoal plants that use charcoal, which is often available for barbecues. This is a planted ficus. The charcoal cracked, so I tied it up with wire. This is such a cute plant. This is planted in even smaller charcoal. This also cracked, so I tied it up with wire and planted a small seedling. This is also a small seedling, planted in thin charcoal. Today I'd like to introduce charcoal plants that use barbecue charcoal. Until now, I have introduced charcoal plants like this one that use charcoal that retains the shape of a tree. However, it is difficult to obtain such charcoal. So today I will use easily available barbecue charcoal like this. Make holes in these charcoals and plant plants to make them into charcoal plants. In the second half of the video, I will show you how to make a hole in charcoal like this. So please watch until the end. I'm going to plant it on this charcoal. Today I will plant it on this medium-sized charcoal. This is the ficus that I will be planting today. Wash the roots and remove the soil. After washing, soak them in a diluted root booster solution for about 2 hours. Insert Oasis floral foam in this hole. This time I will put 2 pieces on the bottom of hole. Add this small charcoal grain. Charcoal grains are available in small, medium, and large sizes. This time I will use small and medium sizes. Large-sized charcoal grains are used for these large plants. This time I'm using smaller plants, so I won't use large grains. Put this on top of the Oasis floral foam from earlier. Fill in the gaps. Insert the ficus root. Add charcoal grains between the roots. Fill with Oasis floral foam again to prevent the roots from wobbling. Oasis floral foam is soft and gentle on the roots, so it's okay to press down. Place a medium-sized piece of charcoal grains, on top. It is good to insert the pointed end of the charcoal into the Oasis floral foam. Be careful not to damage the roots. Add more charcoal if it spills. It is completed like this. Put it on a saucer. Pour the diluted root booster solution all over the charcoal. Add enough water to the saucer so that there is a little water in it. For small plants, be careful not to run out of water at first. Once the roots are established, reduce the amount of water. Now I will actually dig a hole in the charcoal for the barbecue. Common barbecue charcoal is dry and light. This was soaked in water for about a month. It contains water and is heavy. Charcoal that doesn't crumble even when pressed a little is best. This one is floating, but I think it will sink soon. This is what it will look like when planted, but I wrapped it in wire to prevent it from cracking. It is a good idea to wrap the wire around the charcoal from the beginning to prevent it from cracking when digging the hole. Secure with wire. The wire used is black and soft. The digging tool is a chisel. Dig it little by little like this. It has become soft after soaking in water, so you can dig it up by stabbing the blade a little and lifting it up. When digging small pieces of charcoal, be careful not to injure your hands. It is best to dig deep so that the roots can spread easily. The waste that comes out can be used as charcoal grains after washing. After digging, wash with water. There's a solid hole in it. I will plant plants here. It was completed. It's close to this size. You can plant small seedlings. This is also tied with wire. There is a gap at the bottom for roots to grow. There's also a gap at the bottom. It is better if there are gaps, as this will make it easier for the roots to spread. Today I made charcoal plants using barbecue charcoal. Smaller charcoal like this is easy to obtain, so please try making it yourself. Bye bye.